Hola, wonderful humans. Ms. Palmer here. We are going to go through this test question on the left side of the screen. There it is. And on the right side, we will be working it out. So the test question reads, which situation can be represented by this inequality? 1.25x minus 6.5 is greater than 50. And then I have my answer choices A, B, C, and D. Now, there are several strategies we can use. The strategy that I choose to pick is to dissect this inequality first, like go through and translate and label everything, and then we'll go through each answer choice to see if it matches all the notes that we took. Implying that, I'm trying to change my color here. The 1.25 is multiplicative, if I can speak English, multiplicative. I can't say that word for some reason. This is multiplying. Multiplicative, right? Multiplicative, my goodness, I could not say that word. It's multiplying x, whatever x represents. The 6.5 is negative, it is subtracting. And then this is greater than 50. So 50 has to be like my ends, my total, leftover, whatever. Okay, now let's go through these answer choices. Now change my color back to the regular. A shows that Stefan spends $6.50 on supplies. So he spends that, which does mean negative, and sells each cup of lemonade for $1.25 each cup. What is X, the number of cups? So X is amount of cups to earn a profit of more than $50. So more than, oh, that's an A. And actually, I think you guys know that more than does mean greater than. Well, so far, A looks like that's my answer, because the 125 is multiplicative. I burped. 2 cups, which is X, so 125X. The 650 he spends, so that has to be a negative. So it is minus 650, subtracting 650. And it is the more than sign, the greater than sign, 50. But let's go through B, C, and D just to kind of show why A has to be our answer. So I'm going to zoom in here so I'm not writing so big. Okay, B. Stefan has a balance of $6.50 in a savings account and deposits $1.25 each week. Well, I already know that that's not right, because the $6.50 would be positive, and in our answer choice, the $6.50 has to be negative. What is X, the number of weeks? Stefan must deposit $1.25 in order to have a balance of more than 50. That does equal more than 50. But the $6.50 in this case is positive. I'm not spelling correctly, guys. I'm just going to write positive. And in our initial inequality is negative. So B can't be my answer. Let's go to C. Stefan earns 1.25% interest. Well, 1.25% as a decimal actually comes out to 0.0125. Therefore, C can't be my answer, and we're not dealing with percents at all. Like, that's just silly. Easy answer choice to eliminate. D, Stefan charges $1.25 for gasoline plus, so $1.25 plus $6.50 per hour. What is X, the number of hours? Well, in this case, it's saying the $6.50 is multiplicative, whereas the $1.25 is additive. Whereas we know in our original, the 125 is multiplicative, the 650 are additive, but it's being subtracted. So D can't be our answer, which does leave us with A.